Here's video continued.
For Christmas and stuff.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's getting big.
Good.
Okay. Oh, where'd my pen go?
And where'd the bag?
Okay.
Is this the bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's from Grandma and Papa.
From Grandma and Papa. What's in there? A paper. Another. And another. And another. Ooh, good. And another one. Boy. Wow, what is that?
Wow.
Who's that? Is that Daniel Tiger and the neighborhood trolley? Cool. That's so... Oh, there's one more. There's more in there. What else is in there?
Daniel Tiger.
More Daniel Tiger?
That is so cool.
That's a full set. Look at
Yeah.
that. Wow. All of Daniel Tiger's friends. Yay. Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, now we have...
This is so cool.
Now we have another one. This one's from Haley DiMaggio. Okay, what's in there? Haley, I think I saw that. What is that?
Oh, cool.
What is that, buddy?
Is it a claw?
What's it do? Let's see. Squeeze it hard. Squeeze hard.
Yeah.
I can't do it, Captain. I don't have the power. Oh, oh. You did it. Good job. Say thank you. Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.